Let me conclude say, and I see bit me summarize it with a caption say the Astroturfs some years ago ye factory also as Omayeno. She say na dane kanka to the communities omo etimi enya the opportunity say you see Astroturfs amom. It's a kanka in the sense say Eugene me no ka say community ne omo adwene say omo ya asodin na even the states na Astroturfs no omo wago yesu training na Eugene. There is no way say talent an individual bimu ye hwe ni mu say ye betimi nurture that proposed talent in Eugene. We have Bremen dia say our boy bi Bremen sabi in the near future. Ye hwe ni mu say owa be share the shoes of Antoine Semenyo, owa be share the shoes of Mohamed Kudus, especially with their employee Eugene. Clearly it's a canker in the sense we will not get the best talent out of them. So players almost say we are number so training 2 years as compared to age year. Obi so a different pitch comparatively after omadu a level bi no say they not all new so pitch we no ne talent no a developer than be use that pitch we. So Eugene, the Astroturf project in Ashanti region in Ghana, Eugene, it is becoming a canker. It is becoming a big canker. Now Eugene, I did back also Mesa running through my mind. Contractors now you dey adwuma share omonsano. Obia free different avenue nearby now, and I said one person spearheaded all these contracts because Eugene, I think say no, I think the contractors like only Attakora you did a project in Shannon. It
could be say our day one contractor.
Then I think say all the contractors they are not doing well. Eugene, it's next time so I will review this project where the proposed contractors.
No, sorry. Do you blame the contractors or do you blame those in charge of the project area? Because no matter how well over here the requirements say we pan our rest here and chill where on sa toilet na omoye edema came what's called on sa toilet na omoye edema fifi no omoye bi omoche on nema also here to maintain it for a long time. It more so anya side no mo e kana enche ebesai. So for me I think that this one Attakora
Adiba me da say but when you say you're part of your world Eugene as some government contract enya the right person in farmer Eugene you could know the procedure film it's your best even if say the contractors are not to be blamed your way of doing things awarding contract in Ghana Eugene and you're the best too. The way and manner I award contract, especially projects, I will mind him no, Eugene, and penny for action almost Eugene, this is a project, baby is sino, Bromo is sino, traditionally, any person can Bremai and suffer from this. Traditionally, Eugene, Bremai Ekra, and as a Bremai a pursuit of big heritage, the traditional front. Now, no, Eugene. Yakwa sie abroeti ya me kire abro apanyini ehfa na no koy
very right
nti ideally traditionally se parts na one Kumasi Ashanti region na ever go into a bad state ye be sre Breman empanyimfo ye be sre nananom entina nkonya a omo Breman.
I want to ask 2 questions. One, Adia Yeri, as a district assembly ninsa. As a district assembly ninsa. And I say, a individual binary. That is my first question. And
it's a really good concern.
Say, Adia Yeri, as a district assembly ninsa, and a more hustle. And I say, Ombo commission, you know, more jai the ama individuals be a more Breman honum. Say, or more because and come on, medical catcher say The last time I appear mo call on ko video no be confront you mo say no mo am see so ansa na mo ba be video ni ade. I learn say on na e park ni so. It mbese me bisa say ono na giska no. Obi be bo a on na giska no. Na me park I say me nko tueska say me bobo so.
The only say park wey there is no way so baby tueska bobo so.
Enti no. Why am I in charge of this facility? Is it a district assembly and I say individual be an area? Me question person me bisa.
And it's a good question. But Eugene, aside all media me susu say nana no montina nkunya. Ah mo hwe breman eso Eugene. Omo pija mumu. Omo mani nko park na ho Eugene. Just say breman edi ekura no ewo akana tradition ni no e too huge. Say ye bekwa this project Ediama Breman community. Say the million more can in less than 2 years. And barely 3 years. 3 years. This Breman Astroturf India is not older enough to be 3 years. But you just say there is no way say
Opemsuo.
a parent or Breman Eberman no price neba embejino pitch you some more.
And video no more on the club room. And crowd room.
But they will tell you no more.
No.
But see a more competitive no parent will allow that. But training the over
the parents better. Or the guy time and a was a crop. You just go born away. Oh, no, Mechanized wounds at time Israel. We need to talk about body. La a bonum was Elganebo. And I will be that. You know, play up and I make a boy.
Oh, say you used to. I was
under the supervision of mommy.
The boy change one.
Say one opportunities on me.
Attakora. Asamba na okay na first no. How many pitches na wo kwa na grass?
One say first no. There's nearly grass, not purely gravel to say the body back can.
Until you na
am a grass. Ah, parent beyond me say. At least
and your parents burning him. And your parents burning him. But I say how many towns and I say nkro do say na ewo Kumasi ya no more pitches are grass. Kumasi ya within Kumasi. Do say na that's why even currently ya we call other towns of Munya.
Be fair say ye me azotemu omo. There me kro mo go bi ni ho. Mo no azotemu ni ho. Ewo krom la
Ejongo mo na masemo.
Kwa ye pere mo me ya ke say ya. Ye fa ya la ye ke
bi an kam be maintain. Ana mo maintenance coach anye.
Eugene, we the man we see no the message say na no mutena nkonya. We dear Eugene. Into where a plague na ye display na which is omutimi overly this project. Lucky for us, you who the name of Omahine Obreman say ni di wo hobi meboa. Ani bia crowd. Or he did say during the day na ye bia de na no. Or he did bohu bia na or ye present. It's ye best sere na no mutena nkonya Eugene. Omumpejo omumu. Yes. No mu siki omwa omhweso to say they will be say because ye call pote ye call baby ni nim say baby ho ye under a committee we dey na no mom sorry na at least enya another facelift because you we dey nya
Burukwan Multi Food Processing Limited ye Burukwan Pineapple Juice